Hi, my name is Cameron O'Brien, and I'm a third year med student here at OSU. Today, I'm going to be discussing our paper, Evaluating Artificial Intelligence Guidelines in the Leading Family Medicine Journals. So, to get started, the rise of generative artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT and Bard has transformed academic research writing by streamlining manuscript drafting, text refinement, and idea generation. However, their use raises ethical concerns, including authorship, copyright, and potential plagiarism, highlighting the need for transparency to maintain academic integrity. Organizations such as ICMJE and initiatives such as Consort AI stress the importance of disclosing AI use in research. This study examines whether leading family medicine journals require such disclosures, aiming to assess transparency practices and promote ethical standards for AI integration and research. So for our methods, all top clinical family medicine journals were identified using the Scamagio Journal and Country Rank database. The top 47 peer-reviewed clinical journals were included. Journals that were discontinued or lacked accessible author instructions or editorial contact were excluded. And then data extraction from author instructions was conducted independently by 3 investigators using a masked duplicate approach. For journals referencing AI in their author instructions, details on policies related to authorship, manuscript preparation, content and image generation, and AI-specific reporting guidelines were collected. Correlational analysis were performed using RStudio to explore relationships between AI policies and journal characteristics. So in figure 1, we have our Prisma flow diagram showing our journal selection process. Our results start in table 1, highlighting that the majority of the journals that were analyzed were based out of Europe, North America, and Asia. We also have Scamagio rank and journal impact factor there as well. Under our general journal guidelines, we see that the majority of journals actually made no mention of AI in their instructions for authors. The majority of the journals did have an ICMJE statement, and very few of the journals addressed specific AI reporting guidelines to follow. And then down below that, we have which guidelines are referenced. And as we can see in our table 3 of AI specific guidelines, the majority of these journals just did not state whether AI was able to be credited as an author, whether authors should disclose AI during submission, whether AI was allowed in manuscript writing, content generation, or image generation. And for our conclusion, despite many family medicine journals endorsing ICMJE standards and including statements on AI, they rarely mandate adherence to AI-specific reporting guidelines, with only 2 journals referencing such guidelines. Standardizing their use could enhance the rigor, credibility, and reproducibility of the research. To improve transparency, we recommend that family medicine journals adopt uniform AI-specific guidelines to promote ethical and transparent AI use. And then down here, you can scan our QR code for the references.